the first ACJ320neo on the assembly line in Hamburg, Germany. Photo courtesy of Airbus. The first ACJ320neo has entered final assembly in Hamburg, Germany. Based on the A320neo, the new plane focuses on size and efficiency in the business jet market. The first ACJ320neo is due to be delivered to Acropolis Aviation of the United Kingdom in the last quarter of 2018, along with a second aircraft headed for Comlux of Switzerland. There are presently more than 300 A320neo family aircraft in service. Like the airliner versions, the ACJ320neo family features new generation engines and sharklets, which save around 15% in fuel while improving range. Airbus says the jet can fly 25 passengers 6,000 nanometers or 13 hours, enabling routes such as London to Beijing or Cape Town and Moscow to Los Angeles, while the ACJ319neo can fly 8 passengers 6,700 nanometers or 15 hours. Unlike A320neos, ACJ320neo family planes include a reinforced cargo hold to carry additional center tanks for intercontinental range, built-in air stairs for airport autonomy, and a lower cabin altitude for passenger comfort. So far, Airbus has received 6 orders for ACJ320neos and 3 for ACJ319neos.